Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's upright tire carrier, universal for all truck beds. Step 1. Place the bin in the bed and orient it as desired. Ensure that once installed, you have clear access to the tie-down points and the spare won't damage the cab. Step 2. Inspect your vehicle from below and ensure that during drilling, damage to vital components won't occur. Begin marking the bolt hole locations. Again, ensure drilling below these points won't damage vital components. Step 3. Starting with the pilot hole, begin drilling and working your way up to a half-inch bit. Step 4. Begin installing the bin by first inserting the carriage bolts and with the 4 washers and nuts, secure the carrier with a 19mm socket or wrench. Step 5. Insert your spare as shown, and with the included ratchet straps, hook into the tie-down points and wrap the straps over the opposite points. Tighten as desired, and you're done.